Prue, how you doing?
Great.
You are great. Look at that. Welcome aboard to Prepare to Pass. Now you've taken one of the Vorpack sessions out with us,
Yep.
and you've come across. Now you were saying you've had driving lessons elsewhere.
Yeah, I actually had 4 before I came here.
Really?
Yep.
Did you notice any difference?
Yeah, I pretty much knew nothing. So.
Oh my God. 4 sessions and taught nothing.
Yep.
Wow. So would you say chalk and cheese?
Oh yeah.
Yeah?
Yeah.
Definitely, hey? Hence why you passed today. Oh, that's great. Well, what sort of feedback would you like to let the other students know with respect to what you've been doing here?
I would definitely choose the Prepare to Pass driving school because he's much more useful on the road than the other driving instructors.
Wow.
And-
Wow. And?
And teaches you a lot more in the time that he's given.
Yeah. Yeah, straight to the point, eh? No mucking around, no wasting money. Yeah, I'm just surprised this is going on out there, you know?
Yeah.
I really don't believe it. And you wouldn't know any difference until you got here.
Yep.
So what made you come here?
Well, I was wasting too much money and too much time
Yeah,
with the other sessions.
yeah. How did you find us? Did you find us or Mum?
I found on Facebook.
Oh,
Yeah.
good. Excellent. So you saw some of the other students?
Yep.
Oh, right, and that helped you?
Plenty of photos of people with their P's.
Yeah. Well, that certainly is encouraging, isn't it? Well, you got an outstanding score today, so that's a big feather in your cap, Prue, so you can get on your way now.
Yep.
Yep, and move along and get on with life, the next stage.
Thank you.
That's been great. No, it's been fantastic. Thanks, Prue.
Thank you.
Happy and safe motoring. Ciao.